Check out this popular, nicely equipped 2007 RAV4. This well cared for SUV shows well inside and out, and it comes with factory roof rails, color matched mirrors, and 17-inch chrome alloy wheels. Around back, this clean RAV4 has the spare mounted on the hatch, creating additional interior space, and the vehicle is also equipped with a trailer hitch and spare tire cover. Opening the hatch reveals a cargo area that offers plenty of room for your luggage and includes a retractable security cover. This compact SUV looks sharp in Everglade Green with a blacked out grille, tinted glass, and the finish is in good condition overall. Inside the cabin you'll find premium tan cloth upholstery that shows little signs of wear. Everything is well laid out, and features include air conditioning, power windows and locks, tilt steering, cruise control, and an AM, FM, MP3 CD audio system. The RAV seats 5, and the passenger compartment includes a center console and fold-down seat backs, allowing you to transport larger items or more gear. The engine bay is clean, and power comes from a 3.5 Litre V6 engine mated to an automatic transmission and all-wheel drive. Don't wait on this one. Call today to book your test drive in this popular compact SUV or stop by for a look. We're located on Leathead Road in Kelowna.